Okay, y'all, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair in the shower. Oh my god, look how long my hair done got. Like, yes, honey, yes. Yes.
You taking a shower?
I already took one, baby. I got a little mini fro, but my hair too big for all of that. So what we're gonna do is install these braids, okay? What's up, babe? Every time I film, my son wanna come in. Like, I'm trying to film for the people. Yes, close the door. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair. My hair dries really quick anyways, but I want that like straight texture, you know, the curly ends popping out the box braids is not it. So I'm gonna blow dry and I'll be right back. Power to the people. Ha! Happy Black Monday, happy Black History Month. Okay. Back in the day, I walked out the house just like this. Like, what's up? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Okay. With my fro and all. I let my baby hairs though, but I still walk out the house just like this. My son is bugging. He's bugging. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to section my hair off and get started. I'll probably come back when I'm to the front so I can demonstrate a couple to you guys and show you how I do my box braids. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to tell y'all. Okay. So I gotta tell y'all what hair I was using. It's Easy Braid. 3 times pre-stretched Easy Braid, extremely lightweight, water resistant, hot water setting, natural looking ends, antibacterial and anti-itch free, okay? And this is the color TB, T1B Burgundy, B-U-R-G. This is how many inches? I don't see how many inches. Let me see. Oh, it's 48 inches, y'all. I'm tripping, but there go the ends. Pre-stretched, no hassle. And I got 2 packs, so 6. Last time I got 3 pack of these of the red, of the 12 course hair I did. And I had a whole pack left over. So I only got 2 packs this time. And here is the color. It's like an ombre. I love ombre mix. The color looks so much more natural on your hair. When I blow dried, I also forgot to tell you guys that I use this heat protectant serum by Fantasia IE. And a Y2 comb. I just comb my hair out first, put this on and blow dry it, and then comb and blow dry it at the same time. Another thing that I will be using while doing my braids is this good old Shining Jam. I got the kind of big jar. I'm kind of running out. I think I got a little jar left too though. But yeah, I used to get the little jars, but listen, you might need a bigger jar if you're going to do your whole head and you have like really thick ends like me. You need to apply product. So these are the products I'm using. I will come back when I get to the very tippy top. And this is how I parted my hair. They might not be the straightest because I didn't have a mirror and I don't have anybody parting for me. So I just boom and then like boom and then boom. See, they don't have to be the straightest. My son is tweaking, like he need to go back to daycare. But yeah, this is how I parted my hair. I'll start in the back, work my way to the middle, and I'll be back when I get to the front. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just got sick like recently, so I don't know. This weather in North Carolina is just crazy. But here's the hair. It comes like this. This ombre is so pretty. I don't cut the hair because I like meth. You're just gonna cut the rubber band let that fall off. And section your hair. I already have a section right here. I just woke up, so please don't pay attention to how I look. But yeah, these are the ends right now, but I will dip them in hot water so they'll be much more flexible and not so stiff. But yeah, so you're just going to take a piece of your hair out, and then depending on how big your section is, you just take the hair out. Synthetic hair gets tangled really easily, so you want to make sure you have somewhere to hang the hair. I use either Mone's or Shine Gem. 9 times out of 10 I use Shine Gem, but I'm starting to realize it's not like thick enough for my hair. I mean, it works, but I have to use a lot. So I'm almost out. So I'm almost out of Mone's too, but when I run out of this, I'll use this. So just take a little bit and start smoothing the hair down. You want to start at your ends because that's where like you're gonna try to, that's what you want to try to tuck into the braid so people can't see. I also take a skinny tooth comb and comb that out. And comb the hair out. Okay, and now that it's like that, that's perfect because when the end is like that, you'll be able to like tuck it easier than if it was like frizzy and all puffy. You know how natural hair is at the ends like this. You want it to get as straight as possible, so either use the Mone's or the Shine Gem. Okay, so next I just take the hair and place it like a loop. You see? A loop on top of my hair. Make sure it's even at the ends. You don't want one side up here and one side down there. You want them to be even. Okay? Once you loop it, you just want to start, you want to tuck it tight. 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 Start braiding, and I have TWA hair, so my hair runs out pretty quickly. Now that you have your hair in the middle, what you're gonna do is take some hair from this side. You don't have to take a lot. Take a little bit of hair from this side. Hold that. Take some hair from this side. Okay. And this is where you can put more product to smooth those ends in. And you can also comb it out to straighten it and blend it with the synthetic hair. So now that you have your 3 pieces, just continue braiding. You're gonna look at your hair, make sure it's blended. And just continue braiding. And you wanna make sure that you're taking one piece and, you know, sliding it through your hands so they won't be tangled. So last thing you want is tangled synthetic hair, okay? So when you braid a couple times, you see how it's tangling? You wanna just take one piece, slide it on through, and it'll detangle the rest of the hair. And you want to keep the same 3 strands until you get close to the bottom. I mean, you can borrow hair if one section is skinnier than the other, but make sure it's neat. See how it's tangled? Just take one and detangle it, and now the other one's detangle. I'm not the best braider, but I taught myself, and the more you do it, the better you get at it. Let me see, it's getting tangled. Just take one, slide it. And when you get close to the end, and you're like this, all you have to do is just put it around your head, like so, and you'll have a little bit of you know, more room to braid comfortable. All right, and once you start getting down to the end, you don't really have to braid it all the way to the end, because when you dip it in hot water, it's just gonna be straight anyways and stay together. But I like to try and braid until I can't braid anymore, and then I put a little loop and slide the hair through, slide that knot all the way down, and there you have it. Finished braid, like so. Okay. And you want to check to see if your hair is like to the scalp or not. And if it's not, don't hesitate to just pull it out and try again. Make that loop around your hair. Pull it taut. And just start braiding as close to the scalp as possible. Don't pull the hair because it'll make the fake hair slide down your hair. You see my hair and the two strands. When I get close to the end and my hair ends up in the middle, that's when I borrow from each section. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot from each section. Okay, now that I have the fake hair with my hair and the two synthetic pieces on the outside, I take some Mone's, put it on my hair, get my skinny tooth comb and blend it in, comb that, detangle it, whatever, and continue to braid. If you get stuck like this, just take one piece, slide your hand through. Okay guys, I'll be back when I'm on my last braid. All right. Hi you guys, so I am back, and listen, I'm almost freaking done. I have one more that I want to show you. Take the amount of hair that I think is proper for this amount of hair that I have left. All right, I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. So now we are going to take our skinny tooth comb and just detangle and grab my Mone's. I found Mone's is like more stickier than the jam. So I think next time I do box braids, I'll probably just use Mone's all over, and you get more bang for your buck also. So why not? Y'all excuse my voice. Just now getting over a cold. It's like right up in here right now, and it's almost gone, thank God. But yeah, excuse my voice. Okay, and you wanna like almost just like squish the ends together, because that's what you'll need to be tucking, is the ends into your box braids. You wanna make sure the top is tight and the ends is tucked. So make sure they're the same length. Loop it around your hair, taut, and just start braiding. You want to look and see if it's tight enough, because sometimes it'll be slipping down. You don't want that. If that happens, just start over. Okay, and when my real hair gets to the middle, I just take a piece from this side, just a little bit, and then a piece from this side. Okay, I take my Mone's once again, put that on the weave in my hair, and then I grab my little skinny tooth comb and kind of blend that in and straighten it out as much as I can. Okay, and then just continue braiding. You want to try to tuck your real hair so it won't stick out. Just like that. And sometimes you'll have like bulkiness. All you have to do is just pull. When you're done with the braid, just slide your finger down and it'll straighten out the braid. Okay, now that I'm down to the end of my braid, all I do is loop it and tie a knot. You see the knot? And slide it all the way down. See? And now I'm going to go dip my hair. I'm gonna go dip my hair into some water. You see how stiff it is? It's like no movement. So that is my how to box braid tutorial. This color came out so pretty, like I knew it would. Ombre always does. This is the red. This is the top, how it comes out. And it is so pretty. This is how much hair I had left. I bought 2 of those 3 packs, and this is how much hair I have left. You can do a little top knot bun with this hair, or anything you want to, a braid, a braided ponytail, or anything like that with the leftover hair, or use it for the next time you decide to do this color. I like to switch up my colors a lot, so I probably won't be doing this until like a while from now again. But yes, this is the hair. Thank you guys for watching so much. Hope you enjoyed and learned how to do it yourself. Save your coins, honey, and learn how to do it yourself, okay? All right, you guys. Peace.